Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to discuss that if we will have any date and we want to bring the week start date from that date, then how we can do that. So simply, for example, if I will have this Monday here, just let me zoom this one so that you can see the clearly. So let's say 20th of September 2022. Okay, so let me pull the calendar here. So for example, this is the date for today, that's 21, and here I want to bring the Monday, the 19th, the week start date from this date. Then how we can do that? For this, just let me write down here the week first day, that is the Monday. So I just want to give you the clear understanding that whenever you want to apply this, you don't need to be worried about that. So my week first day was the 19th date. Okay, so just drag it down. Right. So what basically required, so if I'm on Tuesday, so for example, if I will have the Monday, so I need to minus 0. I don't need to minus anything from this date to reach here. But when I have this date, then I need to minus 1 day because I'm 1 day ahead. So I need to minus 1 to reach that date. So here is the 1. Okay, so this minus this and control enter. So if I'm here on the Wednesday, that's the 2 days. So I need 2 days to minus from this date to reach here. So that's 2. And here the same 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's the simple concept that I need these number here and that's 0. Okay. So it's simply understanding that we need these number from basically we need to generate these numbers, that is the series 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 from any date, just in the order that I have shown you. So just write me here. So is equal to, let me zoom this one more. So I'm using here the weekday formula. This weekday formula will provide you the day of the week of date provided. The simply logic here that you have to select the date and after that you have to provide it the type. The type is simple, that if I will scroll it down so you can see what is the type. So the type is simply the 1. If you don't provide any type, that will be default 1. So what that means, the default 1 will be the considering the Sunday, the start of the week is the Sunday, and if we will add 2 here in this type, the 2, then it will start count Monday as 1, Tuesday as 2, Wednesday as 3, and Thursday as 4. But I don't want this because I want Monday to be 0, Tuesday to be 1, Wednesday to be 2. So for that I will use number 3 type. So what it does, it will work same exactly in that way. Okay, so enter this and control enter. So here you can see that this is the same order that I have achieved here, that I want to create that logic. So simply I got the week start date from any date in the week. Just let me copy this date here and is equal to this minus from this one. I need to minus the weekday. So the weekday is this and type 3 and enter. Okay, so let's say I will add the date. So here is the Monday is the 5th of September. Let's say, so 5th of September, that's the Monday. Now let me go back in some other days. So here it's the 13th of June, that's the Monday. And I'm selecting from this week as 15, so 13th of June. Hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. And if you have still questions or any suggestions that you want to mention, then comment section is down below. Don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. We will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care, good care, and keep watching 5-minute session.